Hello, my name is Ray. I'm an artist, and right now I'm going to illustrate to you how to draw someone walking away from you. When you're talking about someone walking away, you're dealing with what's called perspective. Now, perspective deals mainly with the subject surrounding as opposed to the subject itself. For example, let me just draw a scenario for you. Using this square, I'm going to draw out the scenario. And this is where our action is taking place. Now, let's draw our subject. Our subject for now is just going to be an abstract man. Very simple drawing of this gentleman walking away from us. Okay. Now, when drawing someone walking away, you got to pay attention to their feet. Now, his feet, one foot has to be higher than the other because he's walking away from us. That's how we illustrate that. One foot is slightly higher than the other because he's walking away from us. Now, for the surroundings themselves, here we have the man, but what is he doing? He's walking away from us. The way we illustrate that is with perspective. All of these lines are going to one vanishing point. Okay? And that's how we illustrate that he is actually leaving us. Now, you can go a step further by playing with the vanishing point. That would just better illustrate the perspective that's going on. Like, for example, this makes it look as if he's walking down a hallway to a vanishing point, so he's walking away from us. If he was walking towards us, we'd flip it and just turn the character around walking away with the same vanishing point. So that's how you do perspective, and that is how you would draw someone walking away from you.